Heading from A dock to B dock, you can see in the distance there is the Barefoot Queen, but a lot of little runabouts here, smaller boats, a Regal pontoon boat up here. So boats that are in the 20 to 30 foot range in here with these docks. Pontoon boat, and then Larson. Love and Luck. A couple more runabouts here. Another Regal. One here called Seize the Day, a Regal. Another older Carver. It's in relatively good shape. 32-foot Carver, anchor up. Oh, what do we have here? And this is a 34 main ship with a flybridge. And it looks like it's really nice condition. Main ship is a very popular boat for the Great Loop. You'll see a lot of those. You'll see a lot of Carvers. Formula. Go fast boat. Looks like there might be an older Carver too. I don't know that one. And this looks kind of sleek here, doesn't it? Let's go take a peek and see what this is. Ooh, Chris Craft. Wow, nice. Very good condition. Somebody's going to hang on to that for sure. And one of two sailboats in here, mostly all motorboats, and I've only counted one other mast as we make our rounds. I love it. A way of life. Big old Merc engines on there. Couple more runabouts and then some jet skis here. And finally a chaparral. Looks like it's outfitted for some fishing time as well. We're coming up to B dock. Alright, continuing our journey around the Barefoot Marina here. Look at this beautiful Hatteras. It is in really good shape. They have taken a lot of great care on that one. Sea Smoke from Georgetown, just about 50 miles south of here. Another Hatteras, Dolphin 2. And then look at this. I don't know how big those engines are, but boy, I'll bet you that thing gets up and goes. And a Pershing. Wow. That is a beautiful boat. And we got Irish Mist here getting some work done on it. That's a Carver 553 Voyager. Monte Carlo, another beautiful boat. Look at that integrity. I've seen one of those with that exact paint scheme. Some folks were doing the loop on a pontoon boat. We got gas and diesel here, and you're looking right at the Barefoot Queen. Let's take a look, walk back down there, see what's going on. Sign of the times here. Gas at $5.19, diesel at $4.65. Just south of here, about 20 miles, is Osprey Marina, which I believe it's about $1 cheaper. I don't know how they do that, but it's $1 cheaper. This is a gold looper here with a Tallycraft by the name of Shandy. Another Carver, Saltology. And we have here 32-foot Carver. Another Carver. Wow, that is really shining. Look at that. Look at that buff job on there. That is beautiful. Find out who did the work on that. Did the work on your boat. 466 motor yacht. And then we have an interesting sea ray here, my SNRI, which I think the person here might be in the medical industry. And I think that's kind of a drug to kind of chill you out. And that boat probably chills them out. And then we have an Azimuth 43 Magellan. A lot of Azimuths had the pod system on it. This one has a Cummins on it and with a V drive. So looks like the hatch is up in there getting some work done. So then we got the Barefoot Queen, and it will go out again tonight for a 2-hour cruise. Another shot over here looking right across the Intracoastal Waterway to Lulu's.